Hi, this is Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. One question we get asked very often is if I come in the morning and all of a sudden I have more water in my stock tank than I left last night. If that becomes an issue, the reason that is you have an issue with the check valve in the lower end of the Dosatron. To service the check valve, first take the hose nut off. Once you have the hose nut off, you can take the check valve nut completely off. Make sure you have the water turned off to your Dosatron or you will get wet when you do this. You can pull the check valve gently down. And once you have this assembly out, it may be just as simple as taking this apart and cleaning that O-ring. If you have dirt or trash in there, clean it out. If you put it back together and you're still having issues, give us a call and order a mini maintenance kit. Thank you.